Oh dear! Look at that Hoover.
What's Daddy done to the Hoover?
Broke it.
Yeah, Daddy's blew up the Hoover. Daddy's blew up the Hoover. Welcome to our channel, welcome to Monday. Hope everyone is okay today. Start of a new working week. One house even felt this morning having to get up at 4:30. I noticed it wasn't looking forward to getting up a lot early, especially because Mum was away, the kids were laying in till 7, half 7. One day it was 7:45 last week. Anyway, so this morning I need to do a couple more loads of washing. Like I said, still catching up with the holiday washing. At least the weather's nice for us to get washed and dried. Sammy's got to do a bit of work this morning because obviously I like him to end his computer time by doing a bit reading, writing, that sort of thing, because otherwise he'll just sit there either on the computer or on his PlayStation and not move. So I've been a horrible mummy by making him earn his time. But anyway, yep, so that is our plan for this morning and this afternoon. I'm not too quite sure what we're doing. So what are you doing then, sweetheart?
Why didn't you do my work?
Doing some work, aren't you? Because what happens if you do your work?
My computer time.
Yeah. So this is a book that I got from Aldi. It's a hardback book. You can see if I turn the page over. Turn the page over. This is what Sammy's got. It's put like My Summer Holiday by Sammy. He just can write the date and a little sentence on what we've done. And then we've also got these from Aldi as well, the times table books. I know it's got 7+, but I didn't have mine in there.
I'm not doing that.
And basically, they look quite fun, aren't they? Type books, really, those ones. And then we've also got one for spelling as well. Again, they're quite self-explanatory, really, as well. And one thing I like about them is also, what Sammy does, if I can find them, they got some stickers. Where the stickers are in the middle. Oh, there you go. And there you go. You can see them. The stickers are there, which is great. And obviously, then we complete the page. You put a sticker there, so you see there's Sammy writing his diary.
My holiday so far. My summer holiday. Bye, Sammy. Wednesday, 26th of July, 2018. I got ready for the holiday. Friday, 27th of July, we're off to Butlins. Friday, we see Stephen, went to bed to see Stephen Warren. Saturday, we went swimming and see all the friends and time on the beach. The circus by lightning, and we went swimming and spent time on the beach. We watched Billy and Bonnie Bear and the Teletubbies. They have typical problems. Monday, we send downtown Skinners. Later, feed the goats and the quailers feed the fish. And then on the Thursday, we went high. And we went to Fancy Islands, went on the beach and watched diversity.
That's it.
We went swimming. What's the circus? It was funny. It was all Mr. Maker.
It was Thursday out.
We went.
Was it Thursday? We had our picnic on the pier on the beach, didn't we? Went on the TP machine. Oh no, went on the rise. Played on the TP machines.
And we're watching about what?
That's it. And then
Friday we were sad we were going home. When we went downtown, we had lunch on the pier.
That's it. That's what you've done so far, haven't you?
Yeah.
That's a good boy. So we're just heading down to Tesco's now because when we went shopping on Saturday, we got a couple of bits, didn't we? So we got washing powder and also got dishwashing tablets as well. So no doubt there probably is some other bits and pieces we'll buy from there anyway. Like there always is. You just go in for a couple of bits and come out with a whole trolley load. As you can tell, Ben's not very happy again. He is missing the seaside and Butlins like crazy, isn't he?
Oh, if we drive there now, I'll be there by 5 o'clock.
Exactly, spend a couple of hours and come back again. What it's like this, I do wish we lived a lot closer. Only problem is, like I said,
It's not being nasty. There's only so much of that sun you can have in this heat.
there is.
I know Ben likes it and all that, but you know, he doesn't understand the repercussions of what can happen if he has too much sun.
I know. But like I said, even if you did go to the coast for a day, you have to leave at least 6, 7 o'clock in the morning to bed before you, wouldn't you?
Yeah, you would.
So anyway, Sammy wants us to drive through the. He's still called to the new houses, but they've been now 3 or 4 years. He just don't know what he dislikes about this area. And I do have to admit, they have got a good park up here, so maybe one day this week or next week, whatever, we might try in a new park. So Sammy's just chilling out on my laptop. You alright, sweetheart? What's the matter?
I miss the seaside.
You missed the seaside?
Yeah.
I know. We had to go. Well, we wish we could live down by the seaside, sweetheart, but we can't, can we?
Why?
Because we can't. Well, we won't go tomorrow.
What castle?
Warwick Castle. And if you're a good boy, we're going on Sunday. If you're a good boy, Chessington, you've got to be a good boy, haven't you?
The trouble with the seaside, Sammy, you're living in the middle of the country. It takes about 3 hours to get there.
I thought the nearest seaside town to us is Brighton, which is 2 hours.
Yeah.
So,
I don't want to
Ben's been a typical teenager, hasn't he? Got upstairs to his bedroom.
Show you these photos. We've got them.
Oh yeah, these cover for look.
I don't want to go to Chessington.
And Mr. Man, that's Mr. Grumpy. That's Ben at the minute, isn't it, Mr. Grumpy?
He is Mr. Grumpy. He's Mr. Hoover.
He is. So it's been a typical teenager. He's stomped himself upstairs to his bedroom.
And Sammy with Mr.
Mr.
Potato Head.
That's
Doesn't look
nice.
like nothing like Mr. Potato Head, does it?
It doesn't, does it?
Mm.
And then the other one is
And circus one.
circus one.
Yeah.
You got to try this out, you know. We brought this down from Skeggy, didn't we? This thing here. It's one of the old.
I need to muck around with a few things. I can't be asked.
I know. It's just tied in. Anyway, let's go see what Ben's up to. You come down now, have you, Ben? Eh? You come down now. Been a right stroppy teenager, aren't you? Yeah, like Kevin the teenager. That's what you are. I'll see there's something in the front of the camera. Some Cadbury's Dairy. What are they? Those nibble things.
Eat them before they melt.
I know. You're chilling out now, aren't you, rest of the afternoon?
Yeah, I ain't doing nothing now.
No. And you're watching Liverpool. Is it here? Are they playing?
Napoli replay from Saturday.
Replay from Saturday. So see who's watching that. Even though he knows the score, he still wants to see. He still wants to see the game.
Pre-season tomorrow as well.
Is it? Is it? Hey, come on, share.
No, I'm going to eat them all.
Share, 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 share.
Yeah, you dropped some.
Share, and it gives me 5.
Oh, you dropped some on the floor.
Where?
One there behind you.
Yeah, that takes it to 6. And how many's in that packet?
I don't know, a few hundred.
Look!
Alright. If you don't eat them for now, they're going to melt.
I think that's better.
So, Shazzle, what we having for tea tonight?
What are you having for tea tonight, Sammy?
Sausages, mash and beans.
Sausage, mash and beans.
There you go. By orders of Mr. Hamster.
Can't beat bangers and mash for dinner, can you?
You can't actually, can you?
Nope. Yeah, it's a lovely day out there, guys. Blue sky. I can't be asked to sit out there because that sun just gives me such a headache if I sit out there too long.
That's the thing, that sun is really strong at the minute, isn't it, still?
Tell you one thing, guys, I love some ideas what you could give me what to do with this garden, because this garden is just driving me insane. Just don't know what to do with it to make it look tidy. It's all bumpy and curvy and tree stumpy, everything.
Because we hadn't had the rain, we hadn't had much lot of rain at all, have we?
Yeah.
The garden seems to have dropped, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
the ground is just rock hard out there. You just can't dig anything up. It's like on yesterday's vlog, tried to dig those potatoes up and they all ended up being bad after the end of it. They were really terrible. So a bit poor crop of potatoes this year. Even run of beans have been poor, haven't they?
Yeah, haven't they? One thing I'm pleased about is our pumpkins.
Them pumpkin plants are sprawling out a bit. They really are.
We have to get their pumpkins for Halloween.
Yeah, so hopefully they'll grow.
What's that grow? I'm going to feed them, make sure they do grow.
Yeah, they'll probably get eaten by something out there, like always.
I doubt it, not now they won't.
So as you can see, Cheryl's peeling potatoes. This little crevice in the sink here is where you're supposed to put veg when you're peeling. So you're supposed to go from one bowl to the other, aren't you?
It's not easier actually doing that way.
Yeah. I remember when we had this sink installed last year, we had the new kitchen put in. I was wondering, what the hell is that little hole for?
Yeah. We've never had this sink with 2 sinks, have we?
No. Yeah, I can't believe we'll be getting on towards the year before... Yeah, Ben's just spotted my Pringles I brought in. And now he's making a mess with them. Can't leave food anywhere with him, can I? The mess he's just made on the floor. Oh. Tell you, this guy is hard work. Really, really is a lot of hard work just to keep happy. Anyway, Pepper's down there, fast asleep. Weather does not agree with him at all. Anyway, guys, yeah, so see you in a bit.
Oh dear! Look at that Hoover!
What's Daddy done to the Hoover?
Broke it!
Yeah, Daddy's blew up the Hoover. Daddy's blew up the Hoover. You blew it up. Oh, you blew it up really, didn't you?
Oh, that was covered, isn't it?
It's covered. Someone is funny. Yeah.
So we've got a trip to PC World to come on Wednesday then.
Yeah.
Well, guys, that's Monday over with. Yeah, soon went today, didn't it? Soon went, got up half full this morning like normal, off to work, and soon disappeared. It's amazing how once you get back after, you know, being away on holiday, you know, you soon get back to the normal routine. But Sammy and Ben are getting bored, so tomorrow we're off to Warwick Castle again. Yes, guys, going to treat you to another Warwick Castle vlog tomorrow. Why not? Apparently tomorrow's supposed to be the last hot day for a while now. It might be that's it for summer, but after tomorrow it's cooling down, according to the Met Office. 33 degrees predicted tomorrow, but then on Wednesday into Thursday it's going to drop down to 17, 18 degrees, so it's going to be a big shock. And then at the weekend it's going to be wet and windy, apparently, so apparently it's going to be quite a bit of rain around over the weekend. Good for the news for the gardens, because the gardens need it. And I guess the only advantage about, you know, the way things have been lately, you haven't had to cut your grass. So, but I'm just worried now that if we get constant rainfall, the grass is going to shoot up like crazy.
I know.
Anyway, guys, thanks for joining us today. As always, Patreon, Facebook, across the bottom of the screen. Also, big thank you to Steve Vlogs for his shout out on his vlog today. Go and visit his channel. I'll put his description and link below. Anyway, see you tomorrow for Tuesday.
See you
7 o'clock. Bye, guys.
Bye.